Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. And yeah, for this day 35, as I say, every Tuesday we make a presentation or we call it with sharing day. It's about every week we do it. And I'm sorry guys for this week I can make the video of that sharing day because I forgetting about that. Sorry. And just for information, just for time, you can see this class is very much so you want you all want to see mine? There's nothing. Again, see why? Because I'm not bring it from the lab. I don't bring that's my laptop or in fact was see that's this is the man behind the scene. So I'm just say that was I have haven't bring my not mine but the access from the laptop from this place because I fear that will be make it'll fall or will be you know get stealing. Just want to prepare our right. Okay guys, for this day 25 I will think stop for this and goodbye.